First day college.
Hi, is this your first day too?
Yes, I just joined. And you?
Yes, I just joined. And you?
Me too. What's your name?
I'm James. And you?
I'm Emma. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Emma. Which course are you in?
I'm in English literature. And you?
I'm in computer science. How do you feel about today?
I feel excited but also a bit nervous. And you?
Same here. Everything feels so new.
Yes, the campus is so big.
Not yet. I got lost earlier. Did you?
I asked someone for directions. They were helpful.
That's good. Did you meet any classmates?
Yes, a few. They seem nice. Did you talk to anyone?
Just a few people. Everyone is a bit shy, I think.
Yes, it takes time to get comfortable. Have you explored the library?
Not yet. I plan to go later. Did you?
Yes, it's very quiet and peaceful. You should check it out.
I will. Are you staying in the hostel?
No, I live nearby. What about you?
I'm in the hostel. It's okay so far.
That's good. Do you like the food there?
Tea's alright, but I miss home-cooked food.
I understand. It's hard to adjust in the beginning.
Yes, but I think it will get better. Are you joining any clubs?
Maybe the drama club. What about you?
I'm thinking about the sports club. I like football.
That sounds fun. Maybe I'll watch a match someday.
Sure. And I'll come to watch your plays.
Deal. By the way, do you know when our classes start?
First day flight.
Hi, is this your first time on a flight?
Yes, it is. How did you know?
You look a little nervous. I travel often.
Oh, I am a bit nervous. Is flying safe?
Yes, it's very safe. Don't worry.
Thank you. What do you usually do on flights?
I read, watch movies, or sleep. And you?
I don't know yet. Maybe I'll look out of.
That's a good idea. The view is amazing.
Do you always sit by the window?
Not always. Today, I got an aisle seat.
I'm glad I got a window seat. Do you like flying?
Yes, I enjoy it. Do you like traveling?
I do, but this is my first flight. Is takeoff scary?
It's not scary, but it feels different. Just relax.
Okay, I'll try. Do they serve food on the flight?
Yes, they'll bring snacks or meals. What's your favorite?
I like sandwiches. And you?
I usually choose something light, like fruit or tea.
Do you always bring a bag with you?
Yes, for books and headphones. What's in your bag?
A book and some snacks. Are headphones useful?
Very useful. The engine noise can be loud.
Oh, I didn't know that. Is landing smooth?
Usually, yes. The pilot will guide us well.
That's good to hear. How long is this flight?
About 2 hours. Have you traveled far before?
By train, yes, but never by plane. Is turbulence bad?
It feels bumpy, but it's normal. Don't worry.
Thanks for explaining. Do you get tired after flying?
Sometimes, short flights are fine. How do you feel now?
A little better. Do you talk to people on flights?
Sometimes, if they're friendly. Do you like meeting new people?
Yes, I enjoy it. Are airports confusing?
Not really. Follow the signs, and you'll be fine.
That's helpful. Do you keep your ticket safe?
Always. I also keep my ID ready. And you?
Yes, I have them in my bag. Are security checks long?
Sometimes, but they are important. Was your check easy?
Yes, it was fine. Do you buy things at airports?
Sometimes, I buy snacks or books. Did you shop?
No, I didn't have time. Is there Wi-Fi on the plane?
Some flights have it. You can ask the staff.
Okay, I will. Thank you for all the tips.
You're welcome. Enjoy your first flight.
Thanks. I'm feeling excited now.